Hey everyone, if you are using Cloudy Code with Agent Router, I wanted to share a problem I have been facing. The responses can sometimes be very slow, and occasionally Cloudy starts generating a response but it stops halfway. Sometimes I have to wait quite a while before getting a response. But the good thing is, most of the time, it actually completes the task. So, my main issue is the speed and occasional interruptions. I'm not sure whether this is an agent router issue, a model issue, or something with the API connection. So, I wanted to ask you guys, are you facing the same problem, and have you found any solution to make the responses faster or prevent them from stopping halfway? So one of the tasks took almost 1 hour 2 minutes and it consumed 3.9k tokens for me. As you can see here, I was using Cloudy Opus 4.8 and the effort was high. And it was simply showing waiting for Cloudy for nearly 5 to 10 minutes. Also, a quick update about the agent router referral program. They have changed the rewards. Now, when you invite a friend who registers using your referral link, you get 100 in credits and your friend gets 50. Let me also show you how you can transfer to your balance this $100 to your balance. And then you have to multiply this amount with this value. Okay. So I just need to add two more zeros here and then I need to click on this blue button and you can see the amount is added here. So if you want to try Agent Router and use Cloudy Code for free, check out my previous video linked in the description. I have shown the complete step-by-step setup there, including how to connect Agent Router with Cloudy Code. And if you have found a solution to the slow responses or interruptions, please share it in the comments. It could help everyone using Cloudy Code with Agent Router. Thanks for watching.